The 7th China International Import Expo concludes on Sunday in Shanghai. The CIIE is the world's first national-level expo focusing exclusively on imports. This year, the expo hosts 3,496 exhibitors from 129 countries and regions, setting a new record with 297 Fortune Global 500 companies and industry leaders attending the event.
We were among the first to embrace the CIE opportunity. Now it's 7 years ago. We've been always a diamond member, showing a very long-term commitment to the CIE. It's a very strong signal of China opening to the rest of the world. We have been in China for the past 40 years almost, and then we have been seeing our company to grow and develop in this environment.
We firmly believe this is an excellent platform to showcase a variety of innovative products and cutting-edge solutions and explore cooperation opportunities. We at Boehringer Ingelheim has benefited greatly from the strong spillover effect of this platform, translating new ideas into products and services. Over the past 6 years, we have presented nearly 40 innovative products and solutions at the CIIE, and many of them have been launched.